What are some critical trends in mining that you should and be aware of? Well, we are speaking now with Kai Hoffmann. He's the CEO of Oreninc. He's a moderator, a speaker, or everything guru here at the mining conference in New York City. Welcome to the show, Kai. It's the first time we're speaking.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Well, excited to learn more about Oreninc. You have a Canadian Resource Financing Index, which measures the numbers of deals opened, financings open, and broker participation. Now, the trend has been down since 2017. What's the underlying issue here?
Oh, the issues.
Many issues.
Yes, no, there are a lot of issues.
How much time do we have?
Exactly. Like, where do you want me to start? So they had me open this conference here this morning, and we, as you said, we track all the financings, but not just the opens, but also the closes of them. And the numbers are terrible right now. Right? 2019 looks way worse than 2015 at this point, and we're down from 2018 again. In terms of total numbers, we've only raised $680 million so far, and that's for the first 4 months. We need quite a bit of raising, or quite a capital raises in the coming months, but it's not looking too good.
And there's not just one solution, right, Kai? But if we had to look at it, overall, does the industry just have to do a better job of promoting, of cleaning up optics? You thought the merger activity maybe would have helped things here.
Yeah, I've thought the same. Like when Barrick, I think they did something with, when they took over Randgold, that was the first little glimmer of hope I had in the industry. Like, okay, something's happening. Like there might be more eyeballs coming to the sector. But even now with the Barrick Newmont talks, at least Newmont buying Goldcorp, it's not there yet. It's like the US dollar is too strong. It's like, I'm not a macroeconomist. Like, I'm not going to comment further on that. But there's too many distractions.
Well, what your expertise is helping companies raise the money, right? You act as a consultant?
We try. Like, we're not active brokers, or like we don't have a license or anything, but we track all the financings, and we do also run the Mining Deal Club, where we propose financings to investors on a certain basis that we find valuable.
Do you ever correlate your findings to, for example, the GDX or the VanEck ETF?
We have correlated in the past to the gold price, and there is a clear correlation there. So if gold dips down, or if there's less volume or traded less traded gold, the index trends down as well. So, and massive seasonality, of course, as well.
Okay, so it's not all bad news, perhaps, though, right? Can this current situation, present a buying opportunity for investors? Is this the time to pick up some deals here?
Oh, absolutely. I think there are a lot of companies around there. I was just in Zurich at the Gold Forum as well. It's the pendant to the Denver Gold Forum. And I thought they were walking in there head in hand. It's going to be terrible. But actually, investors were happy, companies were happy to a degree, because there are a couple new funds coming out and new investors at the scene.
And I'm happy you bring that up, because that has surprised me. And especially last summer, when I thought, I was at one conference in Australia and I wasn't sure what the attendance would be like, and I couldn't believe the numbers, how many people were in attendance, and other shows that I've been at recently also. So, we talk so much about, well, the investor interest isn't there, but the participation is there. So is it not just real yet? Like, are people still on the sidelines and not sure if they should get in, or what do you think it is?
We're caught between a rock and a hard place right now. We're looking at May again, like sell in May, go away. That thing seems to be a thing, actually, because the volumes are down again. But there's money. Like, the investors that make their money in cannabis, they also made their money in mining before. So they're always looking with one eye at the mining space. If the right opportunity comes along, they'll jump on it.
All right. Well, Kai Hoffmann, I know you have a lot more panels to moderate. I'll let you get to that. Thank you so much for joining us. And thank you for watching. We'll have much more for you, so be sure to stay tuned to Kitco.com.